Kasi ano kami down kami by 20, I think, 18, 20 points. And then we were talking sa game, during the game, let's just bring it down to 10 or single digit pagdating ng fourth quarter, which we did. So that gave us confidence. And yun na, 3 minutes, with 3 minutes left. Kumbaga, mataas din yung kumpiyansa natin. Pero si Justin yung pinakamataas. Kasi
Wala, yun yung sinabi ng mga kuya na there's no other opportunity. Wala nang, hindi natin alam kung kailan mangyayari to na makakapasok, maglalaro yung grupo na to. Makakapasok tayo ng finals or ganitong ganyan. So, yun yung parang last option namin na talagang pinush lang namin. And you all witness the magic of JB. So
Justin Brownlee talaga yung nagdala dun sa China game namin na yun. Talagang totoo nga yung sabi nila sa mga